Hey everyone, today we are starting a new series on machine learning and Scikit Learn library. In this series, throughout the videos, we will understand how we can perform machine learning with the help of Scikit Learn. In this session, let's understand the basics of machine learning and how Scikit Learn will help us in this journey of writing machine learning code. Machine learning is a field to define and enhance the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Computers can execute instructions and computations are very fast in a computer, whereas human beings outperforms the machines in case of learning ability. With the help of machine learning, we are making the machine capable of performing fast computation as well as it will have ability to learn quickly. Human being learns from the previous experiences or historical experiences. Similarly, in machine learning, computer learns from historical data. We can categorize the whole machine learning domain into three broad categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's understand what are those. In case of supervised learning, machine learns from labeled data. We will understand what is the meaning of labeled data in future. For example, we can predict the stock price based on the historical data. This is an example of supervised learning. However, when machine learns from unlabeled data, that is called unsupervised learning. For example, segmentation of customers based on their interest is an example of unsupervised learning. In reinforcement learning, machines learn from feedback. Autonomous car is an example of reinforcement learning. Let's understand the steps we follow for any machine learning solutions. As machine learning uses historical data, we have to collect the data first. Now, historical data will not always be a clean data. In order to fix the data set, we have to perform cleaning of the data. Once we have sanitized the data, we can split the data for training as well as for testing purpose. For example, 80% of the data set we will use for training and 20% of data set we will keep aside for testing of the machine learning model. Next task is to create the model. Remember, model is nothing but a mathematical or statistical function. Once we create the model, we train the model with the help of training data. A well-trained model will start making predictions. We will use part of the data set for testing the accuracy of the model prediction. We will evaluate the model accuracy and improve it over time. This is the whole flow of any machine learning solutions. The first two stages, collection of data and cleaning it, we will be using the libraries like pandas and numpy. These are the open source Python library which helps us to perform data collection and data cleaning. I have video series in my YouTube channel related to numpy and pandas. You can go through it. The link will be in the description. Rest all other steps starting from splitting of the data till evaluate and improve can be performed with another open source library called Scikit Learn. During evaluation, we also use matplotlib, which is a data visualization library heavily used by data scientists. Hope you have realized what is the need of Scikit Learn library in order to write some code for machine learning. Let's understand the basic information about Scikit Learn library. Scikit Learn is the most popular open source machine learning library for Python. It has simple and efficient methods for machine learning and hence it is very easy to learn library. It also has a ready to use algorithms in order to create the machine learning models. As it is open source, we can use this library commercially without paying any subscription. Like any other Python packages, we can install Scikit Learn with the help of pip install. Scikit Learn has a number of algorithms in it. That is the reason all the algorithms are grouped into different families based on their usage. If we want to use a specific model, we will use from sklearn dot family name import model name. Using this command, we can import a specific model from Scikit Learn or sklearn library in order to use it for our use case. This is the screenshot of the official web page of Scikit Learn. Let's jump to the official website and explore it a bit. We are in the official website of Scikit Learn. Here, as you can see, Scikit Learn used for machine learning in Python. You can go through the features and functionalities what it offers. You can click on install page in order to understand how can you install it in your machine. Similarly, it has user guide as well. You can go through this user guide in order to get in detail information about all the models and algorithms present in sklearn library. Apart from this, it has a very large community. Hence, you can utilize this community to learn and grow quickly. Let's understand the key takeaways from this session. This is the initial session on machine learning series. Here we have realized what is machine learning and what we want to achieve with the help of machine learning. Now we know what are the broad categories of machine learning. We know the steps of any machine learning solutions. We also know what are the important libraries we have to use in order to write Python code for machine learning. What is sklearn or Scikit Learn library all about? We have explored the installation process and how we can use this library in our source code. In our next session onwards, we will write some code to explore sklearn library and we will perform hands-on to solve machine learning problems. Thanks a lot for watching this video.